Hi everyone, I am Dr.D.Princy, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science with Cyber Security, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. In this video, I am going to continue the concept of Applet programming. In previous video, I have explained about the Applet programs. In this video, we continue with the concept of Applet lifecycle. Like a thread, applet also have a life. Every Java applet inherits a set of default behaviors from the applet class. Because when we derive a class, it extends applet class. When an applet is loaded, it undergoes a series of changes in its state. The applet states includes, there are four types of applet states: born or initialization state, running state, idle state, and dead or destroyed state. When we create an applet, it is in the born state. We have to initialize using the init method. When we call start method, it goes to the running state. The output will be displayed using the paint method. When we stop the execution of the applet, it goes to the idle state. If you want to come back to the running state, we can call start method again. So this is the circular loop. When we call stop method, it goes to idle state. When we call start method, it goes to running state. When we call destroyed method, it goes to the dead state or destroyed state. That is the end of the applet life. Initialization state. An applet, when loaded, it is on its initialization state. At this state, init method of class applet is called. This is the newborn state of an applet. At this state, objects can be created by the applet. Initial values are specified. Images are loaded. Font colors are set up for applets. The syntax of init method is public void init and body of the initialization method. It does not take any parameters. Running state. Applet enters the running state when the system calls the start method. This occurs automatically after the applet is initialized. Start method can be called more than one time. The syntax of the start method is public void start, body of the start method, and this method is also does not take any parameters. Ideal state. An applet become ideal. That means it does not do any actions when it is stopped from the running state. Stopping occurs automatically when someone leaves the page containing the running applet. An applet will send to idle state by explicitly calling the stop method. Syntax of stop method is public void stop and body of the stop method. It does not take any parameters. The last state of the applet life cycle is dead state. An applet is said to be dead when it is removed from memory. Actually, this happens automatically by invoking destroy method when someone quit the browser. Syntax of the destroy method is public void destroy. This method also does not take any parameter. Display state. While running the applet, we have to display the output or result on the screen. To display the result, we can use paint method. Paint method is a method of graphics class and also it takes graphics class object as a parameter. The syntax of the paint method is public void paint, which takes the object of the graphics class as a parameter and it contains the statement which is used to display the result on the screen. Now we are moving to creating an executable applet. Compiling the applet is same as the compiling the application, but running the applet is different from the standalone application. It includes some steps. We have to move to the directory contain the source code and type the following command, such as javac filename.java. It converts the .java file into .class file. The compiled output file called filename.class, and it is placed in the same directory as the source. If any message is received, check the errors, correct them, and compile the applet again to successfully create the .class file. Designing a web page. After converting .class file, we have to move to the step to create a HTML file. A HTML file contains so many HTML tags. It contains three sections: comment section, head section, and body section. Comment section is nothing but the documentary section. This is optional. The head section and body section are mandatory. Head section contains only the title tag, which is used to display the title as in the title bar, and body tag contains so many formatting tags, paragraph tags, which displays the actual body of the web page. Comment section, it is only used to these are optional and can be included anywhere in the web pages. This is not executed. Head section includes the title tag, which is used to display the title of the title in the title bar. Body section, which actually displays in as the web pages. It contains entire information about the web page and its behavior.